try these. Go in the shed. Guys, Thomas doesn't want to go in the shed. Thomas, why are you so scared to go in the shed? Thomas, why are you so scared? He looks terrified to go in the shed. What's Bluey doing in here? Thomas, just go. That's your paint job. Guys, everything looks fine. It's a nice night. Timmy's cruising down the tracks. Look at that, Timmy. Wait a minute, then what happened? Oh, there's a tunnel. There's a station up ahead. Guys, it looks like Timmy was just trying to get to that station over there. And then what happened? Wait a minute. He crosses the bridge. The bridge went out.